What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I know you guys have been asking about Portridge, and you guys should have really gotten this video like 3 weeks ago, but your boy was not doing well health wise, that is, and not slacking off on the videos. But we're back and we're here to give you that drone shot that you've been requesting. So the last time we did Portridge, the request was for us to try and get a closer shot, and that's exactly what I'm going to try and give you guys today. We'll try to see how close we can get to the houses so that you can actually see the space between the units. Alright, and please to bear in mind, we can't get too close because one, we are not allowed to drive onto the property, and two, we have a lot of utility poles and wires already on the property, so therefore we don't want any accidents today. But here what, we're going to go right into this drone shot. I believe that they are working on clusters in this development, so guys, don't worry if the first set is already gone. I promise that I'll get you guys some information on the pricing and how the dates for selling and handing over will be going. I have not yet gotten the chance to do that, but I promise you guys that I'll definitely work on that for the next video. So guys, remember to like this video, remember to share, remember to subscribe, remember to leave your comments, and we'll definitely continue to do our best to give you guys the updates that you are requesting. So we're just going to go right into this drone shot. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Remember, please to support the channel in any way that you can. If it's just to like it, if it's just to share it, just do your best. And if you have the leisure of time, just let two of the ads them play, because that help us to travel around so that we can give you guys these updates. All right, so we'll just get right into this drone shot and I'll catch you on the other side. Yes guys, so as you can see, it's a very lovely development. It's coming on pretty well. You see that there are a lot of empty lots over there. You see that there are foundations being laid for new units. So like I said, I'll definitely try my best to give you guys update in terms of pricing, delivery dates and such things, so that you guys can keep up to date with what's happening. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for supporting our channel. Thank you for making it ChriSamz for your property tour and updates. And remember that we'll always do our best to give you the best. Alright? So I'm going to work on the information for you, I promise. But remember to leave a comment down below. Tell us what you want to see. I know some persons have been asking about Wim Estate and other developments that are kind of further away from us. Guys, if you really support this channel, we'll be able to travel a lot. You'll be able to go across the entire Jamaica to give you houses. It's a part of our dream. So if you guys help us, we can definitely give that to you. So don't be afraid to leave your requests, and we'll try our best to honor that request. Remember to like this video if you don't like it yet. Remember to subscribe. Remember to share. Alright, and don't be selfish with the information, because we are giving you the information for free. Alright, so guys, bless up yourself until next time. And if you want one of these units, there's nothing impossible for God. One can be yours. So do your part and watch things work out. So see you guys in another video. Take care from ChriSamz. Alright.